know how to talk to VVIPs?
Do you know what you have done actually?
You know who I am? VIP. Kahe ke VIP ho tum?
Our actors are this girl and boy who pretend to be VIPs. And the waiter here is also an actor.
Thank you.
Oh, how's this place?
Nice.
It's the first time I'm coming to this place. Let's see how's it. Amazing there. Waiter.
Sir.
Keep it. Go away. I'll call you in a minute.
We'll call you in a minute.
I'll call you in a minute.
Okay, sir.
Go away. Acha, what do you want to eat?
Anything. Anything will work.
Waiter. Hey, waiter. Waiter.
Yes, sir.
यार एक बार में सुनाई नहीं देता क्या आपको?
सर आपने एक बार Sorry, sir.
You call me Sarji, okay? Talk to me the way you talk to your father. Talk to me the way you talk to your father. जैसे अपने पापा से बात करते हो वैसे बात करो मुझसे.
सर हम लोग सर बोलते हैं.
Shut up. Call me Sarji, okay? And I'm getting late. I'm getting late. मुझे जाना है यार इसके बाद. Get me a drinks वाला menu first. Go. Make it fast, all right?
ठीक है सर.
Snacks में भी कुछ order कर ले बेबी.
हाँ, anything.
क्या खाना?
सर 1 मिनट लगेगा अभी.
Sure.
Sure.
Nachos हैं?
हाँ.
Get me a plate of nachos. Oh, that's a quick service, isn't it? You haven't get me the menu and water as well. सर आपको सर्विस करनी आती है? कैसे लोगों की सर्विस करते हैं?
सर जी आती है.
आपको पता है VIP का मतलब पता है क्या होता है?
VIP का हाँ मतलब.
हाँ VIP, all right?
आप VIP हैं
You
सर.
don't know who I am.
But sir.
See, I can buy this place in a minute. I can buy the owner of this place like this, okay?
सर थोड़ा सा जी.
I am telling you, all right? Don't mess with me. Please,
ला रहा हूँ सर.
make it fast.
ला रहा हूँ सर.
Can you please get the beers first?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, Ji, say it again.
सर जी. Okay, मैम जी.
Better.
I don't like this place. I mean, it's not that good.
Yeah?
I told you we should go to the party straight from here.
Party, everyone is coming. Everyone, all the big politicians, all the VIPs of Delhi. हर एक जना आएगा. And you know who's hosting the party?
Who?
My chachu.
Oh, that's great.
I don't think so. They don't know how to serve the big people. Excuse me, come here. Come here. How many times do I have to tell you how to serve people? Do you think I'm any one of them? I've told you thrice to get a beer, to get a menu, and you're not getting it.
सर हमने पहले मेनू मांगा.
What do you think I'm one of them? See, you don't know who I am, all right?
Do you know even who is he? Do you even know?
All right, please make it fast. मैं चाहता नहीं कि आप इस जगह से बाहर चले जाओ. Talk to me with respect. यहाँ लिखवा लो VVIP, all right?
सर VIP मैं इसलिए बड़े गिलास में पानी लेकर आया हूँ सर.
अच्छा, तो अब बड़े क्लास में पानी लेके आए हैं.
VIP बड़ा गिलास है.
VIP है, तो मैं इसको यहीं गिर दूँ. VIP हूँ तो मैं. I can do anything I want to. I can throw this water on your face.
You don't know him.
The place that you are standing
सर
in,
मेरे लिए सब
इस मॉल में, my father is a partner in this mall. और अगर मैंने एक बार बाहर निकलवा दिया, तो कभी एंटर नहीं करना.
सर ऐसा नहीं करना सर. मेरे बच्चे.
Do you know how to talk to people?
सर मेरे छोटे-छोटे 2 बच्चे
You
सर.
know your standard. You are a waiter. I'm a
सर मुझे नौकरी
VIP.
से निकलवा दोगे सर आप.
See, I'm not any one of them. All right? लाल बत्ती में आया हूँ, लाल बत्ती में जाऊँगा. You know how many crores I'm worth? 2,300, 3,000 crores. All right? I can buy this place in a minute. Go and get it. And please don't buzz me now. I'm already getting late for the party. All the VVIPs and everyone, please buzz off.
सर थोड़ा टाइम तो लगता है ना.
Shut up and buzz off. Get me the beer. I'll leave then.
Maybe I told you we should go to the party directly.
I don't think so. They know how to treat the VVIPs. They just know how to treat a normal guy. That's it. He's a waiter, bloody waiter.
Clearly incensed and outraged, this customer gets up.
I don't feel like eating it, baby.
ये किसने भेजा है?
सर
No idea.
सर कुछ और लेकर आने सर उसके बाद कोई. सर.
But just as he's about to intervene, he seems to change his mind.
Sorry? Did he say something?
I didn't notice actually.
Let's leave this place, baby. Let's leave. I'm leaving. I cannot stand this.
सर मैं सर अभी ला रहा हूँ
Sorry?
सर
I'm leaving this place. Please don't get anything for me now.
सर
Sorry?
आपने बियर मैम
आप अब बियर ला रहे हो? आपको पता है लोगों को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं? You know how to treat VIPs?
थोड़ा
I've
time-
told you 1,000 times I can pour you straight away.
सर थोड़ा टाइम तो लगता है I've been watching you, I've been hearing
Sir,
you.
I am-
This is not the way to treat
Sir,
people, all right?
Excuse me.
No, it's all right.
I'm-
It doesn't matter who
You don't know who I am. You don't
It
know
doesn't
who I
matter
am.
who you are.
I'm entitled for a free meal.
I tell you what.
I own this
No, no.
mall.
Go ahead.
I am
do
a
whatever.
VIP. I have a Lal Batti. Have you heard of Lal Batti?
Go. All right, this is you're buddy.
Just look at
You're
him.
the rudest person I've ever seen. All right. Go and tell
I
this to your
deserve a
dad.
free meal and I'm not going to pay the bill. I'm not going to
That-
pay the bill
that-
and I will throw the beer on him because I can do anything. I'm a VIP.
You will not do
no
that.
one can do anything for
You
me.
will not do that. All right.
I will do it. I'm a VIP. No one thing for
You're
me.
VIP.
No, you don't know how to talk to VIPs, right?
Oh, go. अरे दांत में दो
Ah!
VIP.
You want me to call your father? You know who's my
Go
father
call
is?
your father.
You know who my father is? I'm a VIP. I can buy the place. Ha ha ha!
Dude, you just call your dad. Why don't you call your dad?
Ha ha! I am already a person. You want to check me?
Why-
You want to check me? The place that you are sitting in, I own this mall.
The argument gets so emotional that they don't even notice our cameras around them.
अरे मैं लाल बत्ती वाला हूँ आपकी सेवा कर रहा हूँ पूरी
So you अब बोल रहे तू? Who you are? You're a bloody waiter. You know who you are? You are a bloody waiter. I'm a VIP. I own this. I'm so sorry, baby.
Sir, there's a TV
What you did to her?
What did he do to you?
There's a TV show going on. There are actors. Yes. We're trying to attract the VIP culture in Delhi, and so great that you stood up and I think you walked up. You left your food the first time around and walked all the way here.
Yeah.
So they're both our actors here, and he's in with us
Thank
too.
you
He's
so
an
much.
actor here.
I couldn't take that, man. This was funny. I mean, like, what do you want me to say? I mean, it just happened. This is like probably one of these scourges of being in Delhi, right? Everybody is somebody's son. मेरा बाप कौन है? So I guess I would not want my son to do that. And similarly, he's like probably slightly older than my son. So I just couldn't help but get up and tell him. Wow.
How the way you felt? You just tell.
I felt.
Anger.
Very angry.
Break my face.
Absolutely, I would have done that actually.
What actually you want people to do?
Yeah.
No one is a
Yeah, but
VIP.
nobody is a VIP. Everybody is a commoner.